It's Friday, May 22nd. We're here at the Visitor Center of the Chihuahuan Desert Nature Center and Botanical Gardens. It's a little early in the season, but we definitely have rain. Ooh, and look at this. What's that? Coryphantha hesteri. Our new ocotillo in the circle bed. Hummingbird at the hummingbird feeder. I think it's a black chin, but we've had broadtails here the last couple of days. My first time to see them. And look at this gorgeous plant. God, that's a beautiful plant. Scarlet bouvardia. Can't even think of its Latin name. Related to the button bush. Don't quite see that. Our wildscape garden. Loving this rain. Our penstemon havardii. Beautiful. The hummingbirds love it. And our hummingbird feeders, where we're participating in a banding project. So we have these sort of ugly but functional feeders hanging out here. The hummingbirds love them. Our rainwater harvesting tank. Again, ugly but functional. The gate to the enchanted place. Our 20-acre desert botanical garden with our pollinator garden on the horizon there. I don't know if you can see that century plant. It's just starting to open its flower stalk. And I hear thunder in the distance. Oh my God, look at Mitre Peak. It's so beautiful. The light out here is really magic. And I can hear the water running off the roof into the rain tank. 3,000